Armor. Yeah, it is. It's a big version, though.
That is awfully centered. I wonder if they just retrofitted or if this is original.
I guess we'll find out here in a second.
Atlas.
Ooh, that's Atlas.
Well, this is. That's for sure.
Cool. They boom. Oh my god.
What the heck?
What? Oh yeah.
And here's something really interesting.
Oh my god.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Look at this. It's like they were gonna have a GAL COP, like they cut it, and then they stopped, and then they just installed the longer version.
Like this door used to have a really cool design on it, but they ripped it off.
Some tweaker is probably just like, where's the certificate?
Yeah, the river's closed.